not be able to do art because you can't say no to the million other things that people are asking us to do it's important. And you know, I go back to the parable of the talents in the Bible, and to the one, he buried it because he was afraid that he might mess it up, so he buried it for fear, and he wasted it. These other men, you know, multiplied what was given to them. They invested it. They were wise with it.
Per brush stroke.
Cutting them back down. It's a great way to work.
And correct that section or plane with the next tone down.
Happy birthday to
you see in the bush right here an example of dark, medium, and light. Just 3 values. And the same in the water, you can see it. And what elements draw you in.
It's like road
curving. Yeah.
The curving road. Like you'd like to go for a nice walk.
I like the water.
Yes, by the water.
Next to the waters. And then even down here, the road is warmer. It's not just a gray road. Because your brain will say, the asphalt's gray, just paint it gray. But look. Popped it forward.
This is prior to my medication when I first come in. And then as I settle, I get, look how much, see the chaos? No chaos. Well, some chaos.
But it's getting more orderly.
And as the medicine kicks in, I will get even better.
light's coming from this way in this illustration. It hits the marble, it goes inside, and this is refracted light. The light's kind of captured inside. Here's the time when you need a mahl stick. So I don't want to lay in my paint. So a mahl stick works really good. It could just be a wooden dowel or a curtain rod, but it gives you a nice steady hand and it keeps you out of your paint. But I want to let the canvas help me with that texture. This works really good on linen and any kind of fabric that you're working on that you can drag your brush and get let the bumps of the canvas look like the weave of the fabric. Lightest right here.
Salute!
Okay, so I would like to say thank you everyone for coming. I feel so blessed to be surrounded with so many different people, but together, deep down, we're all the same because we're all artists. Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Cheers! Cheers!
Yay!
Oh, cheers!
He'd have photos, prints of the faces he's painting. He would take flesh color and he'd cover up the eyeballs, you know. So you have these little kids' faces with fleshy eyes, you know. It's a little creepy, but he was that serious about seeing the form and not being distracted that he would come up with all these different ways to.
And that's one of the real great traits of his work. It's so solid.
Excited to unveil it, and it'll be hanging here and hope to honor him, be it, you know, something that will be passed down to
Oh, why does my nose look like that? No, we're gonna do I like that! Sorry!
Solve all this nonsense right now. We're done. We're done.